Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya Ukonrat K Sangma Hagasngi Thoding Ulapan Bena Baka Sorkar Kanwanra Eka Standard Operating Procedure Halor Kajing Penanka Miki Siren Kiyet Badumrong Nebayong Bat Kilait Kibaki Nakbantaki Kali Hapo Kajala Bat Yakani An Pentri Kam Dakba Pyrkhing Bha Khnang Ban Penduna Yakajing Bomsuk Kalet Kawan Katba Menteri Rangba Kajala Ulaong Ba Ulayok Bun Kijing Ujor Nakinong Shong Shnong Halor Kajingdon Kataka VIP Culture Ulaong bakani kalong kamat kabakya Henry hab ban pedru ya kajing long shengan. Ulaya thu badang shan uladan kajing lang bot usumbut Menteri Rangba badai pet ya katanat pulit ba Presunten Song Chief Secretary ka khli do katanat pulit bat kiwei bat hagani kajing lang labatha ya katanat pulit ban wanra dagi Kyndon lani Standard Operating Procedure ha ka bedai bagajing penankam ya ka Siren jingta iyet yong ki kali bat kajing penankam ya kajing penthaba boarding dagi kali ha kini ki Kyndon an sakdau shai manu kitu ki bala ban penankam ya ka Siren ban ta iyet yong bat ban pendat ya kajing penthaba hagi kali bat manu pat ki bomla kajing pentrikam ya kini ki Kyndon kan long ka Pyrkhing khnang bakan penduna ya kajing bagi pat ba kimat ulaong bah kata yo banwan ke kenhun menteri kan yakundo ban yatai bat ajing benjur ya ki Kyndon Nalor kata ukan rat ulaong ban hap ban pejru ya kitu ki bayo ya kilat jingada kat kum ki kerdan bakan thop ya ka kerdan Z plus ZY namar ya kini ki don la ki jong ki Kyndon ki bahap ban buat khnang bakan don ka jing shingan ya ki Hendai Menteri Rangba ula Pynpah ka jing kermen ba andala pentri kam ya ki Kyndon ki jing baki pat ba ki mat baro shikata namar ka jingyat ki kali ki ba Pynpah Siren kin kham duna
Yes, I have been receiving a large number of complaints and concerns by citizens about what people are calling VIP culture. It is, of course, a matter of concern, but we also have to look at it from multiple angles. There is a concern for security and safety, which should not be mixed with the aspect of culture as such. But safety and security is one aspect, which is something that we personally feel is important, should not be compromised. But if that particular safety and security concern becomes more of a attitude and it is used in a wrong way, then I think that is what really is the problem. Therefore, it is important for us to regulate it in the right way. And just last week, we had a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home and all the other officials, the DGP, the Chief Secretary, and we have asked the police department to prepare an SOP as to who can use sirens and who cannot, and who can have tinted glasses and who cannot, and at the same time the flickering lights, who can put and who cannot, and very strictly implement those provisions and ensure that the protocols that need to be followed while using the siren and the lights and other devices should be very strictly implemented and done as per the SOP. So therefore, steps are being taken. By next week, we will be bringing that to the cabinet, and we will be creating a very strict SOP as to who can and who cannot use these different sirens or glasses, tinted glasses, or flickering lights, and where and when it can be used and how it should be used. But again, as I said, the matter of also security and safety also is a concern. There are protocols that need to be followed for Z plus category, Z category, Y category, and these are defined protocols which again cannot be compromised. So therefore those aspects need to be balanced, and as I mentioned, keeping the safety and security matter in front of us, we will work towards ensuring that this safety and security is not again abused in a manner in which it becomes a nuisance to the public. So the balancing of these two is what is required, and we hope that through this SOP that will be coming out very soon, which we will be passing in the cabinet, we should be able to minimize the inconvenience caused to the people.